Hello, thank you for joining. Today I'm filming in Greenwich Park, London. I'm happy to start Yoga in the Park season in London, and I want to celebrate this with 8 rounds of Sun Salutations. 8 is infinity. It represents universe. This flow will calm your mind, at the same time toning your body and energizing when moving with the breath. And we start in the front of the mat, taking a few breaths in mountain pose. Feet about hip width apart or together, standing tall and grounded. Few breaths from the feet all the way up to the crown of the head. Up and down. A few more breaths. We will practice variations of Sun Salutations. In breath, arms widened up, upward salute. Out breath, fall, touch the ground. Hands can be higher, straighten leg, spine. Step back to plank. Out breath, lower through your knees, chest, chin. Inhale, cobra, lift your chest. Exhale, downwards facing dog. Push through those hands. Breathe. In breath, right leg up, foot to your hand, exhale. You can adjust your foot if you need. Deep, low lunge, inhale. Out breath, touch the earth, feet, hands together, fold. Halfway up, fold again. Inhale, coming back to upward salute, Tadasana Mountains pose. Keep going. Inhale, upward salute, exhale, fold. Halfway up, hands down, step back to plank. Knees, chest, chin, chest through your palms, cobra. Long exhalation, downwards facing dog. Inhale deep, exhale long. Inhale, left leg up, foot to your hand, adjust if you need. We exhale here and inhale up to the sky. Exhale, fold. Halfway up, fold again. In breath, coming to standing, exhale in Tadasana. Keep going, inhale, exhale, fold, halfway up, hands down, take your plank. Lower through your knees, chest, chin. Inhale, cobra. Exhale towards your belly, downwards facing dog. Right leg up, foot to your hand, as a knee on the mat, deep low lunge with the in-breath. Out-breath, feet, hands together, fold. Halfway up, fold again. In-breath coming to standing. Exhale here. Keep going on another side. With the breath, usually we up with the in-breath, down with the out-breath. From plank, lower all the way down. Take your back bend. Exhale in downwards facing dog. Pushing through those hands, long spine. Left leg up, foot to your hand. Deep low lunge. Exhale, fold. Halfway up, fold. Inhale, coming to standing. Ground your energy in Tadasana. Long breaths along your body. Inhale, upward salute. Exhale, fold. Halfway up. Hands down. Step back to plank. Lower through your knees, chest, chin. You can take yoga press of chaturanga if it's in your practice. Cobra or upper dog. We join in downwards facing dog. Broaden through the shoulders. Breathe. Fingers are spread. Right leg up, foot to your hand. As a knee down. You can adjust your foot if you need. Deep low lunge. Salute. Exhale, touch the ground, fold. Straighten through leg, spine, fold again. In breath takes you up to standing. Exhale there. Keep going on another leg. Inhale. Exhale, fold. Halfway up. Hands down. Step back to plank. Lower through your knees, chest, chin. Long spine in your cobra. Back to downward facing dog. Breathing there. Left leg up. Foot to your hand. Adjust if you need. Low lunge salute. Press through your back foot toes. Feet, hands together, fold. Hands can be higher. Fold again. In breath. Coming to standing. Exhale here. Keep going. Inhale. Front of the body opens. Out breath. Close. Halfway up. Hands down. Plank. Lower through your knees, chest, chin. Long spine in your back bend. Back to downward facing dog. Right leg up. Foot to your hand. Salute. Feet, hands together, fold. Halfway up, fold. Coming to standing. Exhale there. Keep going. Inhale. Exhale, fold. Halfway up, hands down. Plank. Lower, down with exhalation. Take your back bend with inhalation. Downward facing dog. Exhale here. Long spine. Left leg up. Foot to your hand. Low lunge salute. Touch the earth. Feet, hands together, fold. Halfway up, fold again. Inhale, coming to standing. Exhale there. Standing grounded and tall in mountain pose. Inhale, upward salute. Hinge from the hips, fold, touch the ground. Halfway up, fold. Step back to plank. With control from your core all the way down, long spine with your in-breath. Take your downward facing dog. Right leg to the sky, foot to your hand. Adjust if you need. Deep low lunge salute. Out breath, feet, hands together, fold. Straighten through leg, spine, fold again. Pressing the mat away with your feet, coming to standing, Tadasana mountain pose. Keep going. Upward salute with in-breath. Touch the earth with out-breath, halfway up, fold again. Plank, lower, knees, chest, chin, or your choice, cobra or perhaps upper dog. We join in downward facing dog. Pressing through those hands, left leg up, foot to your hand. Adjust if you need. Deep low lunge salute up to the sky. Touch the earth, fold. Hands can be higher, straighten, fold again. Inhale, coming to standing. Upward salute with the in-breath. Hinge from the hips, fold. Halfway up, fold again. Your plank, lower all the way down. Hands next to your chest, cobra. Breathe towards the belly, downward facing dog. Right leg up, foot to your hand. With the knee on the mat, deep low lunge. Touch the earth, fold, halfway up, fold again. Coming to standing, Tadasana mountain pose. Inhale, upward salute. Exhale, fold, halfway up, hands down, back to plank. All the way down through your knees, chest, chin, or your choice. Downward facing dog. After your back bend. Breathing there. Left leg up with in-breath. Deep low lunge, grounding then opening up to the sky and touch the earth halfway up, fold, coming to standing. Exhale there. Breathing all the way along your body, from the lower belly, palms together up, fold, halfway up, hands down, take your plank, lower through your knees, chest, chin, take your cobra, back to downward facing dog, right leg up, foot to your hand, back foot grounds, Sun Salutations 2, Warrior 1 Salute. Palms can be together if it's alright for your shoulders. Hands next to your foot, step back to plank, lower through your knees, chest, chin, or yoga press up chaturanga, cobra, or upper dog, from your knees or toes to downward facing dog. Left leg up, foot to your hand, back foot grounds, front foot grounds, Warrior 1 Salute. Knee over your ankle, without breath, back to plank, knee, chest, chin, or your yoga press up chaturanga, cobra, upper dog. We are back to downward facing dog. For a few breaths there, or you can take child instead. Mindful yogic breaths, long spine. Back to downward facing dog if not yet. Look towards the front, step, walk or hop to your hands. Straighten through legs, spine, fold. In-breath takes you to Tadasana Mountain Pose. And last time the same. Inhale, upward salute. Out-breath, fold, halfway up, fold. Step or you can hop back to plank, lower through your knees, chest, chin, or your choice, cobra, upper dog. We join in downward facing dog. Inhale deep, exhale long. Right leg up, foot to your hand. Ground through those feet and open up to Warrior 1 Salute. With the in-breath, next out-breath, all the way down, long exhalation, extra breath if you need. Your back bend with the in-breath, and we join in Adho Svanasana, downward facing dog. On the other leg, left foot now to the front, Warrior 1 Salute. Breathe. Hands frame your foot back to plank, lower through your knees, chest, chin, or yoga press up chaturanga, cobra, upper dog. We join in downward facing dog. Breathing there. Plenty of space around your shoulders. Heels perhaps can go closer towards the mat. And make your way to your hands. Straighten through your leg, spine, fold. In breath takes you all the way up to standing. Exhale there. And we finish with a few relaxed opening. Left side opening in banana pose. Right side opening, holding your wrist. Fold. You can take one more. Vinyasa. Hold your plank for a few breaths for the strength. Broaden through your shoulder blades. Or you can, if you had enough, you can just take child pose. Now we knees down and we make the way on the back. We finish practice with lying tree pose, relaxing, opening through the hips and chest, so you can hold your opposite elbows or extend your arms as far as your shoulders are relaxed, and one knee is bent, the sole of your foot towards the opposite thigh. Relax your breath. Change the other side if not yet. Soften through the body, soften through the breath. time for a few minutes in Shavasana, softening, relaxing all the way towards the earth with eyes softly closed. Feel free to stay longer in Shavasana. Alternatively, you can practice more flow or meditation would work well. Create your own practice. Join me again. Namaste.